we've also got the management of Saregama with us. Sanjeev Goenka is joining us this afternoon. Mr. Goenka, good to have you with us. A steady quarter, growth across the board. Share with us some of the key drivers and how you see margins shaping up as well.
Well, I think it's multiple factors. The core business of music and music licensing has delivered very well. There has been a tight control on costs. There have been B2B deals. There have been the OTT platforms with and broadcasting and publishing have all contributed. So I think the combination has resulted in this, and I would say that this quarter has been very good, and we hope this is going to continue.
Tell us a little bit more about the global licensing deal that you have with Facebook. It comes close on the heels of the deal with Spotify. What are some of the other deals that you also have in the pipeline?
Well, Facebook is a global sync deal. In as much as any Facebook user can attach, share Saregama music for our entire catalog. So, which includes regional music. And right now, the deal is for 2 years. If it works for both, it'll get extended. We've also closed a deal with Alt Balaji very recently, with ShareChat, with MOJ. I think, and there are more in the pipeline. And these deals are, to begin with, for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, as the case might be. But if they work for both sides, then they become more permanent in nature.
Mr. Goenka, as people stay more and more at home, legal music streaming has definitely boosted licensing revenues. What is the outlook on licensing revenues going forward? And is this where you will garner more revenue traction going forward?
Yes, I think there are two forms of music consumption. One is music as we've always known it. And one is music in sync, which is the new form of consumption of music. So, for example, serials like Arya and Delhi Crime and all had Saregama music. So that's music in sync. And music as we've always known it. So that's music as in music. So yes, people are consuming a lot more music. People are consuming a lot more entertainment on OTT platforms. And that affords a greater potential revenues on music which is synced. So I think the combination has worked very well. And as far as we are concerned, we diversified in films last year. And as of now, we have 15 films on various OTT platforms. We've had 3 films released this year. The first film to have been shot and released during the lockdown was Comedy Couple, which was released on ZEE5. We have 2 more under production, one of which will be released in the next couple of months, so within this quarter, and another one the following quarter. So I think that's something that's also doing very well for us. And those films are doing exceedingly well. So I think we're very happy with the way it's going. Also, what's working for us is regional content. So, for example, South Indian content, and we are doing production of content for Sun TV. And that is sort of done very well. We've got a total of about 6,200 hours of content for Sun TV. And our new serial has started in October of last year. And that's sort of got great traction.
Right. Mr. Goenka, you mentioned that you're not looking at competition with the likes of other streaming players and remain a content IP company. Can you elaborate on that and tell us the game plan from here onwards to try and increase and grow your IP business? And do you think you will diversify and grow down the line as well?
Well, we are back into acquisition of new Hindi film songs and their rights. We've had a few releases. We will have more releases now as we go on. And we've had 250 songs, Hindi film songs, which have been released. We've had a very strong entry into Bhojpuri. And we launched Bhojpuri in March of 2020. And we already have 24.5 crore views on our Bhojpuri songs. So that's something else that's doing well. Our Tamil music is doing well. So I think overall, the strategy seems to be paying off. And we can't talk about the new Hindi films that we have just about signed or going to sign in the next few weeks. There are quite a few, and quite a few which are very impressive.
Okay. Mr. Goenka, also, there was a significant drop, of course, during the lockdown in sales. The total sales of Caravan, for instance, had fallen 67% year on year. What about the recovery from the COVID slump?
So Caravan sales definitely got impacted in the first 2 quarters. It's beginning to come back from quarter 3, and as opposed to roughly about 75,000 units that we did in the previous year per month. We are now up to about 48,000 units already in the 3rd quarter. We've launched 2 new versions of Caravan, both of which have received great traction in the market. One is the Caravan Mini for kids, which has all kids-centric repertoire, so nursery rhymes, songs, and whatever. And the other is a karaoke version. So you have a screen which pops up on your Caravan with the lyrics of the songs and 2 mics. And you can connect and you can do karaoke with whomsoever you want. And the lyrics are right there in front of you on your Caravan set. So that's something which has been incredibly good. They've just launched it. It's received great traction. And we are very optimistic about this as we go forward.
Okay, so that's on Caravan then. What about revenues from the TV and films division? Let's talk about that. How many movies have been licensed? The Tamil TV serial broadcasting as well. How's that faring, the kind of growth that you're anticipating there?
Music licensing revenues, I would say, frankly, we should see about 24-25% growth year on year. And that could be a little conservative, but that's what I could safely commit to. And as far as the new Hindi films are concerned and South Indian TV is concerned, I think Anbe Ba on Sun TV is doing exceedingly well. So that should bring in significant revenues. And 21-22 should see release of more and more Hindi films. People should start getting back to theatres. And you will see the revival of the films in that sense of the word. And yes, I think we are going to have a few big banner films. Can't talk about them much right now, but all I can say is that we are very, very excited about them.
All right, Mr. Goenka, appreciate your time. Thank you for joining. It's a very sharp.